Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and tonight I should say I got a couple of plant mail while I was at work today, and of these two plants here, they are actually the easiest to grow of the three sisters of Queensland. You may have seen me do the unpackaging video of Drosera prolifera. These are actually Drosera Adelaide, which if you want to start growing the three sisters of Queensland, these are the plants that you might want to start out with growing because they are actually the easiest to grow, and they're the most forgiving. And these plants have got a couple of common names. One common name is called the lance leaf sundew because their leaves are kind of shaped like a lance, and the other nickname I've actually heard them call is the poor man's king, the poor man's king sundew. It's because they look very similar to a miniature Drosera regia, which is a lot bigger than the Adelaide. But so far, I think the Adelaide might be a little easier to grow than the king sundew. The other three sisters, they will benefit from higher humidity and do not like bright intense light. They like lower light levels, which is very unusual compared to other Drosera, because most Drosera enjoy bright intense light, and that's why their tentacles tend to glisten, is because of the sun shines off of their tentacles. And of the three sisters are actually among the closest that you can get to being rainforest carnivorous plants. And in this package here is actually a cultivar of a Venus flytrap, which is commonly known as the red dragon. Well, that's the English name for it anyway. I think the plant may have been developed in Japan, and the other name for it would be Akai Ryu, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But that is the that's the name for this particular for this particular flytrap, and there are literally hundreds of Venus flytrap cultivars, and this is just one of them. When you grow a Venus flytrap cultivar, the care is of exactly the same. The care is of exactly the same. There is nothing that changes with the care. The only difference between the cultivars is their appearance. That's it. People develop these by selectively breeding. Venus flytraps for a certain traits. Think of like breeding dogs, for example. You breed them for like certain traits. The same thing applies with breeding of the cultivars, regardless of what kind of plant it is. If you breed for a certain variety over time, it will develop that those traits that you're looking for. And so that's, if you happen to like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.